Hi everyone, welcome in SAS next lecture. So today we are doing univariate command. So PROC univariate, what it does, so we can have a fast and simple way to review an overall distribution of quantitative variable in a graphical display. So with help of univariate in a SAS, we done the descriptive statistics based on a moment, including a skewness, quantities, and practice such as the median frequency table and extreme values like a histograms. So command is PROC univariate data column data set and the histogram and the variables slash options and then run command. So we have the example. So let's go on a Visual Studio. So here my SAS Studio. So I created one data. It's a data employee info and the input employee ID, employee name and score and the gender. So here my data lines, my data input. So I'm putting a command PROC univariate. PROC univariate. Then my data name is employee info. Close and the run. So what does the univariate? Univariate give me the mean, sum of observations, standard deviations, mean, median, mode, variances, range, and in quarterly range. We have also the quantities like 100% max, 99%, 90%, and the observation lowest and the highest. And now score univariate procedures. Let's suppose we are looking for only the score and one bar chart also. So you have to write by score. Then histogram, because I'm looking for a histogram, one bar chart. Right now, so it's taking a time because he's making the some histogram and the bar chart also. So here's my output. My first employee ID, then score, then distribution of employee ID, then next. So I'm looking only the histogram, not by score. In this scenario, we will make a one only by bar chart slated to distribution employee IDs. It's a first slated to distribution employee ID. Next is distribution of scores. So my minimum score is 54 and the maximum is 90 and the main bar is slated to 66 because it's slated to someone maximum is 66. Let's suppose I'm also looking for a now I'm looking for a one of data in Excel format. Then file name. My path will be SAS user will be 94 slash it's my univariate. Univariate dot Excel access. Excel access. Then close. close my Excel output, Excel, and then close. So now see the output. Now one Excel file is created here in my folder as fusion-AV94. Let's download this file and see the output. So output is created. First is univariate moments, univariate basic in a mean, median, sum of observations, and the variances here. Basic measures, employee, mean, median, then test PROC, then test for LOC. Then next is observations. Next is employee. Here's my histogram with the distribution of employee. Now scores data. Now scores, distribution of scores. So that's the procedure to make histogram with help of univariate. Univariate is for basically for brief description and distribution of data. Thank you guys.